Hey, it's Sean here from P2R. Today I'm coming with you for a long overdue video. We're taking our 6th gen Honda Accord to the dyno. For those of you who follow our channel, you'll remember that we actually put together the engine for this car some months back. The piston, the valve relief, Ferrera 35mm intake valve. The stock block J35A4, where we put a set of our CNC Ported Cylinder Heads and some Brian Cowher cams in it. If you want, you can go back and look at that video where we assembled this engine. And then we were supposed to go to the dyno and show you guys the results, which we did. We went up to the West Coast, met up with Brent from PFI Speed.
Welcome back to PFI Speed. We're over here at the shop today. I'm pretty excited. We've actually got a dyno appointment with the guys at P2R. This is gonna get exciting. So sit back, hold on. Love it.
Yeah, I'm tuning the car for us.
Very nice. As you can hear me put fuel in, I can idle it either way, you know.
That is actually available on their channel to watch. But we never had our video guy available to be able to put a channel or a video for our own channel. So we're going to a local dyno here called My Mechanic, right here in Port St. Lucie. We're gonna go ahead and do a pull on the all motor, and we're gonna do a nitrous pull, show you guys exactly what this motor does and makes horsepower wise, and show you what you can do with setup similar hours. Very simple, stock bottom end with a set of our CNC ported heads and some cams. And let's go, see what we make. Hopefully you like the results, and I'll see you guys soon. So there you have it. Car made right around, what, 320 something, all motor to the wheels. Shows the cylinder heads are working really well. Last time we came here with the stock motor when we made like 270 something, the car's got the same bolt-ons as before. So I'm really happy with the results there. And on the nitrous, I mean, the car cracked over 400. I think it did like 419 horsepower or something like that. So yeah, cylinder heads are working good. I'm happy with the results. And if you like what you see, please like our channel or like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon so you can be alerted every time we got a new video that comes out. Thank you.